Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to this live. It's Johnny. I hold the position of Chief Economic Analyst at Oakshare. We are today, Friday, September 22nd, and it's some of quiet day in the market. Yesterday was the impact and the volatility as we expected. So today, for the economic calendar, we had the PMI and the uh, services, the PMI and the check them. We had the service PMI and the manufacturing PMI. Usually, like for a small recap, the reports were mixed between some positive and some negative, but overall, most of them, or 99% of the report, were uh, less than 50, and that's a recession sign, and it's unhealthy for the firms, for the business firms. Regarding next week, for next week, we have uh, I we had the surprise that we have Jerome Powell speaking next week on Thursday. He want to testify, but I don't know why. Just we will wait and see, and how the impact will come to the market. Uh, will is he gonna be hawkish like he did on on Wednesday, or he's gonna change something on the monetary policy? We'll be waiting for that. Let's jump to our market to check what are the opportunities for the euro dollar. As usual, my head and shoulders is broken. I have my demand zone on the 1.0636. Any breakout of these demand zone here will let the price fall towards the 1.052024 area. If the price, however, if the price hold above the demand zone on the 1.0630 or 35, it might retest uh, as the first resistance on the 1.0757 and the neckline as well. So on a lower time frame, we it's only consolidation. So just like the price is uh, moving between, if you want, 50 or 55 pips, and that's nothing. So here on the 1 hour time frame, I might have a triple bottom. If it's the case, any close of a 15 or a 30-minute candle will let the price go again towards the 1.0735, as I said few minutes earlier. Let's go to Australian dollar on the daily time frame. The price, we still have a ranging market, a consolidation between these levels on the 0.6360, as well as the 0.6480 or 0.6500, the supply zone. So for me, it might retest the supply zone on these keys, and that will be a sell opportunity for sure. It's not a signal, it's only analysis. However, the price might retest the demand zone again on these keys. Any breakout of this support will determine the upcoming move. For now, we are still in consolidation. We have a consolidation. So here on the 64 psychological level, here, that one here, you can clearly see that it's a psychological level and a very strong demand zone. That one here might be a fake breakout. However, I had the morning star. So for me, I will be looking for a breakout of one of these zones, check where the index will go. We'll go to the gold to check what are the opportunities on the gold. On the daily time frame, I have I have a giant flag, but that one is it's only on the daily. So the breakout of the flag might lead to a big increase in the gold price in the upcoming months. However, it's a far scenario. It's a very long scenario for now. On the daily time frame, you can clearly see that the price is respecting the daily MA, and I don't think that we will have a big move today on the gold. My scenarios are as following. That area here on the 1935, 36 shall remain a strong resistance and a strong opportunity to sell, because it's a combination between a downtrend as well as the resistance. So here it's a strong area to sell. I will say it again and I will recap and say these are only analysis and these are not signals. My first scenario would be a retest for the demand zone and then a fall. However, any close above the 1944 areas here will increase price of the oil towards the 1965. However, if price holds or a 4 hour or a daily candle closes below the 1922 on these keys here, 1920 or 1919 if you want, the demand zone will let the gold fall again towards the 1909 again. Let's check the lower time frame if we had any opportunity. On the 4 hours time frame there's nothing. On the 1 hour time frame as well there's nothing. So we are still in consolidation. So till now the price only for today, it's ranging between 60 or 70 pips, and that's nothing for the gold. We'll go to the Dow Jones. Regarding the Dow Jones, on the daily time frame, I have a perfect double top. So this is my double top. This is my neckline. The breakout of the neckline yesterday on the 4 hour time frame conducted a retest, a second retest, and then a fall toward uh, the double top, if you want. So my target was 100% hit it, as you can see on the 34,000 psychological level, as well as a demand zone. For now and for today, I can clearly see that there's no volume in the market. So everyone will be waiting for further data, for further reports to see whenever the Fed will raise again interest rate or no. So till now, I have a consolidation on these areas. Any breakout of the 34,000, a daily close below that demand zone here, I think I will see the Dow Jones on the 33,600 again. However, if the price hold above the 34,000 key, it will retest the resistance on the 34,400 and supply zone. Let's go to a lower time frame to see if we had any opportunities. So till now there's nothing. I might have a double bottom whenever the price on a 15 or a 30 minutes time frame closes above 34,140. On the 30 minutes candle, it's a triple, might be a triple bottom. However, I want to see a close above these areas here. Till now there's nothing, and there's like one bullish candle as well as one bearish candle, and the price is just holding in these zones. And for me, I don't think it will break any of them uh, today. We will finish our live today with the WTI oil. Wow, beautiful candle on the 15-minute time frame. We'll check it later. So if you can see, like, there's is we have a small shadow on the daily time frame, and that makes the oil very very bullish. So for now, I think everything on the oil it's bullish. I can clearly see it hitting the $92 levels here whenever the price holds above the 88.35 levels. However, any close below the 88.35 levels here will reduce, uh, not reduce, will let the price fall towards the 86.32. Let's go to a lower time frame to see if I had something. I might have an inverted head and shoulders. Let's try to see it, and that will make the oil very bullish. So for now, any close above the 90.85 or the 91, just to make it to have a perfect confirmation, will let the price uh, rise towards the 91.84 again. On the 1 hour time frame, it's the better now. The head and shoulders, it's a bit clear. On a lower time frame, I think it's a perfect head and shoulders whenever the price will break the neckline. So we had a break on the 1 hour time frame as well as, oh, that's a fake breakout. So it's better to have the confirmation on the 4 hour side. It was a fake breakout on all of the time frame. But I think if the price will visit these areas again on the 91, it might rise 100 pips easily. So as well as you can see it on the 30-minute time frame. No, that's a that's a nice setup here, as well as on the 15th. So we have a perfect inverted head and shoulders on all of these keys. So here I have a doji on a strong resistant area. The price I think will rise whenever it will close above the 91. So we'll see you on Monday. God's will. I was Johnny. I hold the position of Chief Economic Analyst at Bookshare. Have a nice week.